Uh, so I can add the subcategory, and I want to display the subcategory now, whatever I'm adding. Let's see what is this one. So this one is the Netflix categories, all categories. So these are the categories in the Netflix. TV mysteries, documentaries. Let's see. Hmm. So they have put all the categories, subcategories, maybe here. Sport, let's see. Or they are putting only categories and they removed the subcategory funda, I think so. No, courtroom drama is in it's in the drama. So they have put all the category, subcategory as one list. Okay. So let's see now what how we are saving the categories. So here is a category and category name, and I create subcategory. Subcategory has ID and subcategory. So like this, we have created different tree level structure for the category and subcategory. Now I will show the subcategories here below this button, whatever I'm adding. So let's try to add that one. I will go to the MyFlix categories, and we already are completed the add category part yesterday, add subcategory part. Now we have to show the subcategory. So once subcategory is added, I will call submit subcategory. Once subcategory is added, I will call get this get categories again, because subcategory are inside the categories. So we will get all the categories again in the get categories. And if I look through the categories, let's see what categories look like. Console.log. Okay. Why is this coming? Okay, let me close this one. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. So we are getting, this is the state, we're not getting it properly. Where is that one? So I'm calling the get categories, and I'm in the categories folder. Let's refresh the page again. Let's see. Something wrong. Okay, now I'm getting record, and I'm getting the category, and I'm also getting the subcategory. So we need to create a array, because this is a object, and when we want to loop in the React, we need to convert this into the array. So let's convert the subcategory into array. Okay, let's convert subcategories into the array now. So when we loop through the categories, and if we get the maybe I can create another object called as let object equal to records k. So I will put a records k in the object, and then I will change the object to object dot id equal to k, and I can check this as object. And now I will loop. I will say if we have object dot, if we have, sorry, if we have object dot subcategories, if we get the subcategory, because some categories may not have that one. So if we get subcategories, let's create one object dot subcat as an array, and I will loop through these subcategories. So I will say for let j equal j in object dot subcategories, and then I will say I will create here another sub object. Sub object is equal to, I will take the subcategory with the value of j. We are taking subcategories, that is each subcategory which you are seeing here. This each subcategory will be saved as a sub object, and I will also create sub object dot underscore id like we have done, because once we make it array, this key will be lost. So we are taking the key as an id, and I'm saving it as an id. I will say sub, or I will say j equal to j. Now what I will do, I will put this sub object inside this subcategory. So subcategory dot push, and I will say sub object. So for each subcategory, I will take the subcategory as an array, and I will loop through all the subcategories, and I will convert it into the array by using the push statement. And I'm taking the key, that is the j, as an id, so that I should not lose that key. So tomorrow if I want to delete it, I should have the key to delete it. Now after everything is done, I will, let's see what is the object is, and I will push the object instead of the records k, because object is also having the subcategory. So sub object is not defined, it's saying. So I say sub object equal to object subcategories j, and
line right, yeah.
What happened? This one is created, right? If we get subcategories, okay.
You need a B right after the J.
After j, what I need?
On line 40, you're missing a B after the O.
Oh, right. I cannot. I did not check that one. Where is that one? Okay. So you have another I, so you are able to see it. And okay, so now we have the object as, one second, I'm coming. Okay. So we have now subcategory as an array, and we also have subcategories which we don't need it. We can delete it also. But right now, let's keep it. But we will not using it. We will using only the subcategory because this is an array, and we can look through the array, and it has an ID parameter which I created separately. So here I created the ID parameter separately. So let's remove this object. We don't need it. And we put object into the myArray, and ultimately we get in the myArray this whole list of the objects, that is category and subcategory. Now if I loop through, when I'm looping here, so when I'm looping here, if I do the console.log of value, let's see what value is coming. So I will see value is having the category, that is this action, and it has the 7 subcategories. So we will show the 7 subcategories below it. So I have to use subcat. So value dot subcat. So let's go here, and after the form here, I will create a div tag, or I can create the, for example, UL tag, and here I will say this dot, or no, value dot subcat dot map, and inside map we will create an arrow function, and here in the arrow function I will name it as value 2 because value is already assigned here. So I will use value 2 and key 2, and here I will return li tag with a key equal to key, and here I will say value dot, what is the name, value dot subcategory, and this whole UL should be visible only if we have the subcategory available. So I will check here value dot subcategory, and so if we have value dot subcategory, then we create this block. So I'm not getting, it's a value 2 actually, and key 2. So we are getting this category. We are getting the subcategory here. I will not put videos here because videos will be the separate one. So I will remove the videos part from here. Here we are only putting the categories because managing the video and categories will be difficult in one page. It becomes things more complicated. So let's put the video in the separate page. So right now let's delete the videos part. So right now we have only, and edit is also uh, edit will become difficult in the Firebase because it has subcategory kind of thing. So I'm not sure if edit is supported by. Okay, so we will also remove the edit part kind of thing. If they want to edit, they can delete it and create a new one. Something like that. We will do that one. Or we can ourselves edit, because I'm not sure if I can edit it in the Firebase like this. Generally we set or we update it. Yeah, we update it with a different name, but we need to delete the old one. Okay, we will check back, see if Firebase is the easy system, or then we can copy it, or and we can do some little complex thing to edit it. So let's try to add subcategory here. So I'm getting it immediately. I'm getting it. I will put the real categories after some time. Right now I'm just testing it. So we got how many subcategories also. One second, I'm just testing. Okay, so now what we will do is now what I will do is so this category part is done because we are able to do edit delete we will take later, and we will see if edit is not possible we'll delete it and then recreate new one. Now we will create one page where I have all the category and subcategory, and then I will choose the category subcategory and I will add the videos. So we will build this. So this page is category is almost functionality wise done except edit and delete part. So let's go and create another page for the adding the videos. So I will go here in the layout and I will create first a new file called as videos, for example. And here I will create one component, name it as videos. And here I will create import videos from myflix videos.js. Why not to put this layout inside the myflix folder also? So right now I'm putting in the layouts folder. Why not to put this one inside the myflix and use that one? So that way I am putting everything regarding myflix inside this myflix folder rather than putting in the layout. So let me copy this myflix layout in the myflix one and then I will delete it once this is working fine. So in the myflix layout, I am on the same folder, so I will remove dot dot. And then I will create one more row of videos. And then I will call, instead of calling this myflix layout, I will call the myflix layout from the myflix folder. So I will go into the app.js and I'm calling the myflix layout from the layouts folder. Instead of layout folder, I will call it from myflix folder. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so myflix categories.js does not exist. So if I go to myflix, so it's not myflix, I will just remove all the myflix part because we are inside that folder. Okay, so now I am able to get everything like it is, and I will delete myflix layout from the layouts folder. So we will do same thing for every functionality. So this way, I am putting all the files related to myflix inside the myflix. Though common functionality is in the modules, but at least whatever is related to myflix, I am putting inside the myflix folder. Let's try now again. Let's try to work on the videos part. So videos part will be, let's go to the videos. So videos part will be also related to this one. So I will create a URL like manage this default ID and I will go to the category. So I have to change the path. So let's go to layout. It should be similar to this layout because videos will be tied to that list, that is this list. So let's say videos. And if I want to go to this link from the category page, so for example, I create a link in the category page, something Let me delete this category name here. It doesn't look good. Let me delete that part. I'll delete this label. It's a category, enter category name. Let's put a link to add videos also. Maybe I can put here on this side. So inside the categories, I can put the link to add videos. Here we have. So let's create a pen tag. I will say that, or I will say a tag or link tag to equal to. We'll create the link and I'll say add videos. Close the link tag and I will give the class name equal to full right. Let's see. Link is not defined. We will add the link in the top. Yesterday, you remember I created a shortcut to link and I will use that one. So we have the add videos link here. Since I put pull right, so pull right pushes it to the right side. If I take this and put it after categories, let's see what happens. Okay, then also result is same, so it's fine if I put after one. And then I will do a tag. A tag is already there. Let's create this URL. So this URL will be let video URL is equal to, it should be like this format and have to take this list. This list is nothing but coming from the params, this to props, this dot props dot match dot params dot list. And I will take this video URL and I will put it here. When I click add videos, I am inside the videos part. And you will see the URL is same, only we have the videos in the end. So this is where we will go and create the videos. So for each list, we have different URL to, and here also I have add categories kind of thing. Here also I will create one more link called as add videos. So I will go here inside this, create one. I created one for the videos categories. I will create another link for the videos, video link URL. And here I'm saying add category. Let's add one more. I will say add videos. Let's use the video URL. And I will add one more here. So here I'm going to add videos. I'm going same way, or I can go to categories and I can go to add videos. So we will be using now this one to add the videos. So let's go to add videos. Now we will create a layout to add the videos. So right now I'm in the videos. So videos layout will be like that. I will be choosing the category. So first I will choose the category. I can put the video inside the category, or I should not allow the user to put inside the category. They should put only in the subcategory. So that way it will be forced to put the video inside the subcategory. So anyway, it's up to me whether I should allow the videos into the category or not, or they should be creating the subcategory to really add the videos. It will be much more, structured if I allow only into the subcategories. Otherwise, it will be, half thing here, half thing here. So we need to work more to, take out the videos from each of this one. So let's try to put only inside the subcategories. But when user will choose the action, we can go through all the subcategories and we can get the related videos for that also. So now how it is put inside here? Inside here we have the list, and inside list we have the categories, and inside categories we are saving all the categories and subcategories. Hmm. So now and let's go and try to create a add video interface. So maybe I can say here I will create a class name equal to container, give class name equal to row, give class name equal to col md6, for example, and I will close this div tag. I'll close this div tag. I will copy this one and I'll paste it here. I will create the h3 add videos, and here I will say view videos. So this is only for management. I'm adding it here and I'm able to see it here. So once I go to this one, I'm adding the videos on the left side and I will be seeing the video which I have added on the right side. So now let's create the form to add the video. So now what is needed to add the video? So let's go to the YouTube. So if I open any video, I need one image which is a thumbnail. I need one thumbnail to show the image, and I also need this ID for my videos. Okay. Uh, so let's try to see what YouTube API is providing. We can grab from the API also. Okay, I'll do that. We'll pull together and see what is the problem. If there is problem or no problem. 1 second. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, let's see if we get so I'm just looking into the YouTube API if I'm getting anything. Otherwise, we can grab this URL and we can grab the image. We can create our own, but I think API can provide something only. So we need to authorize a request, create a playlist. I'm just seeing if I add video to playlist. I want to see the search part, search by keyword. So we have a query and we can search the list and then we can request execute where we can get it. Okay, so we'll try to use this kind of API right now. Okay, let's try to first put the video ID. So basically user will have this URL. I will ask user to put this URL and we can grab this ID and we can save that ID in the database. So first thing which we want is this URL because this is the URL which they are creating here. So if I go here, let's create the form and do all the form work. So let's copy this form and paste it here. So first one will be, I will say, okay, let's copy this one. So right now I don't have any submit function and I will say maybe YouTube video URL or ID. So either user can put this one. Either user can put this one, or user can put whole URL. So whatever is comfortable, they will put. So enter video ID or URL, and I will save it in some kind of the state. Let's create some state variables. So it will be, let's say, I will name it as video ID, or I will say just video input, and I will take this input here. On changing, I will update the input to whatever user has put it, and here I will name it as create add video. Now I will check this API later if I can grab all the details of that video. If I get all the details of the video, then we don't need anything. We don't need data from the user. We can pre-populate it with this, whatever we get it. But if I don't get the details, we will try to add the details here also. So one of the details is the video ID. One of the field is video URL. Second field, which will be, if you see Netflix, we have this description, this title. So we have to add one by one: title, description. So let's add the title and description. So I will add the title. If I get title, we will pre-populate and end user can change it. So title, I will enter title, and I will create video title. Here will be another video title, be empty. This is the second thing which we will put. So the form has problem. So we put the video ID, then we took the title. Let's take the description. This is the description. This description. So this is the description which we need. So let's take the description in another div. Description will be text area. I'll take the text area and I'll name it as a description. I'll say enter description. Here I'll say description, video description. And we have this characters who are working on that project or in that movie. We have TV 14, that is the censorship value, and we can have time. I don't know if YouTube provides all the things or not. I will check their API. Right now I will just put a type description, and then I will also put next thing will be like this. Year, which year it is, you can put year, enter year, and here I'll say video year. We will take a long list of data. We will also add category, subcategory. This form will take some time to build it. It's a very lengthy form. We have to take a lot of things. Then we take steering, that is who are the actors leading roles in the movie. So I will add that also. STARING. I will name it as steering. I will take that also. Let's put that one here. Then there will be director. So let's take director. Video director. This is director. Also here. Next thing which we have to take is genre. Genre is nothing but the categories. We have courtroom drama, international drama, or dramas. So we will be keeping the two things, category, subcategory. Here though they are keeping different one, you can choose anything. But for us, we will keep category and subcategory. And then, yeah, we can put category, subcategory, or we can, in the future, we can allow multiple categories also. That is another category, another subcategory. Yeah, I have to think on this part, what should be the best thing. This part we will work later when we complete the YouTube. That my list part we will check later. Up, down arrow also we check later. So there is also section called as more like this. So when you create a video, you can also choose different videos from the site so that user can see that also, which is similar to this one. And details is something genre. You can choose the genre. This movie is emotional. So something we can say the movie type kind of thing, emotional or action or something like that. Ratings, maturity ratings, parental caution, maybe unsuitable children age 14 and under. Okay, so director, casting is this one, starring. Okay, movie type. We can put movie type for this emotional movie. So let's do this one. I can say movie type like emotional or action, something like that. So I can say movie type, video, movie type. I will also add it here. So they have taken this in the separate one. So we will also work on the separate character. Right now, I don't want to waste time on this one. Right now, I'll take a text box, but in few days, I will also try to make it like this separate one. So if I choose Akshay, so all the Akshay Kumar movies are coming because I clicked that Akshay Kumar, Kamaljeet Singh. So this is the maturity rating. Let's try to see what is the maturity ratings. So let's add that also. So I have maturity ratings. I will create that also. Like under 14 or under 12, something like that, or under 18. or TV 14. I will name it same way, TV 14 or TV 18. We will also see how much we're getting from YouTube API if we can get it. Otherwise, we will be doing this one only, manual feeding of the text boxes. And if we get this image, short image, it's fine. Otherwise, we will ask the user to put the image. So let's have the image part also. So we thumbnail, name it as thumbnail URL. They can grab from YouTube or Google or anywhere, and we can get it. So a lot of fields are there: thumbnail, ratings, type, movie type. That's it for today. We will